Today's show is sponsored by Persimmon Tree Gifts, located on 390 North County Street in Paoli. To contact, please call 812-723-0300.
Good morning, I'm Joni, and this is your PHS News Today for Friday, January 11th. And now it is time for our daily trivia contest. Students and teachers can email their answer to paolimedia@paoli.k12.in.us. The first person to get the answer right will be put in a drawing for a prize. Today's daily puzzle is Feed Friday. We will show you a social media post, and you have to tell us who posted it. Here's the post. Already thinking about lunch? Check out the cafeteria serving up today. Now to Audrey with your Ram Sports Report.
Thank you, Joni. Boys freshman basketball lost to Salem last night 33-34. Girls JV and varsity basketball both defeated Springs Valley last night. Tonight, boys JV and varsity basketball will be traveling to Du Bois. The game will start at 6. Tomorrow morning at 9 a.m., junior high boys basketball has a tourney at Salem. Also on Saturday, boys wrestling will be at Hanover starting at 9:30 a.m. On Saturday morning, girls JV and varsity basketball will be away at Crawford. The game will start at noon. Check out this video for game day.
And now to Colin with your weather report.
Thank you, Johnny. I can see here you should see some rain later in the week, but you should be good today. Today's high of a 39 and a low of a 31. Tomorrow's high of a 38 and a low of 32. And Sunday's high of a 36 and a low of 22. Back to you, Johnny.
Congratulations to Keenan Hayes for winning today's trivia question. The answer was Jacqueline Rice. Stay tuned for more trivia on Monday. I'm Joni, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a Joni-tastic day.